If you say, I keep 2 minutes talking and for us 8 minutes, I think this is why what you promise to the people.
You did not raise that in the email. Ikhlaf Saab said, whatever is written, we will agree to that. Do you stand by that? He said it earlier.
On the 25th April.
No, wait, right. Did you say, Ikhlaf Saab, did you say earlier, whatever is written, we will agree, we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah?
Whatever I told you, you have to bring 3 people.
Ikhlaf Saab, you're not answering my question. Yeah, we like Bhatt Saab.
Okay.
He can be the moderator. We're not saying don't make him a moderator. We're saying add one of ours so that it's equal.
Let me speak. You are now here in our venue.
Yes.
We are not in your venue. You are at our venue.
The only debate is on the moderator.
Yes.
So that's what
moderator is only for timing. No problem with it.
But they're saying that if I'm here, then
okay, then both can hold the time. Bring you, he can sit and hold the time, same time.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 second difference.
Perfect, good.
Perfect.
Ibrahim Saab is very good at solutions. He solved the first problem.
Bring him.
He has solved the second problem now.
Bring a moderator.
Bring a person here to keep.
This is the decision of the community that no person that has left the Jamaat will be allowed to be here.
Okay.
I think the one issue is that you're currently using our feed.
There was no discussion on this. This is completely out of the blue, and we never agreed to anything on this.
No. He doesn't decide here. It's our venue. Stop the internet. Recording should be stopped.
We agreed to this.
Yes, you agreed to this.
Yes. No. Razi.
Ikhlaf Saab, you agreed to this.
Razi, what?
The issue was that they
The live stream.
Our live stream to live stream on their channels.
Yeah.
Didn't allow
That's
it.
what wasn't allowed.
No, so what I said about that is that has never been issue before between us.
It is issue. It was always an issue.
We have made mutually, myself and Razi.
Adnan, why you, Adnan?
This is your private.
I'm going to end it.
Good
I'm
Mehman
going to
Nawazi.
You cannot.
We are your guests. You're not treating us like guests. You're treating us like
I never saw
like
guests.
prisoners.
I never saw guests attacking his host.
You keep saying you're here,
Wait,
you're
1
here,
second,
you're
please.
here.
Give me 1 second.
This is not
1
good
second,
behavior.
I'm not-
This time I don't understand why it is so special to bring up this issue and delay the debate. I don't understand. You have the courage. If you have the courage, debate those topics
Okay,
today.
I have now a
Topics did you
solution.
You will never debate those topics.
Topics did you
I have a
announce?
solution.
You have the
I have a
so
solution.
let's go by my speech.
Let me tell you.
Which
Let's go by
topics
my
did you
speech.
announce that we would debate those
Okay.
topics? You
Do you
didn't
want to
say
go by
that.
my speech?
Which topics?
You want to go by my speech?
Did you announce you would
Are you
debate?
sure you will stand by my speech?
This is getting a bit out of
You
hand.
want to choose. You want to pick 15 seconds and beat your drums on those 15 seconds. Don't do that. Don't do that.